Today's recipe is a favourite of mine, and it's our chia seed pudding. It's super simple but ridiculously tasty, and it feels like a real treat for breakfast, but it's still full of healthy ingredients. This is just one of the many recipes in our weekly meal plans, and I've put a link to those in the description for you. So let's go to the Hurry the Food Up kitchen and get going. Add almond milk, maple syrup, vanilla extract, cardamom and salt to a pan and heat until boiling. Once it has boiled, then take it off the heat and set to the side. Add chia seeds to a bowl that you can put in the fridge and then add the almond milk mixture to it, stirring as you go. Cover it with cling wrap and refrigerate for 12 hours. Your chia pudding should be gloopy like you can see here. Add the chia mixture to bowls or glasses. Add Greek yogurt to the top of the chia mixture. Here you can use normal fat or low fat Greek yogurt, depending on your preference and your goals. Add some fruit to the top of the Greek yogurt, again, whatever your preference is. Finally, add some almond flakes to give it that extra pop, and then you're ready to go. If you haven't eaten chia pudding before, now is the time to do it, and you should definitely let us know what you think of it. If you're looking for another easy but amazing dish, you should watch this video here.